going to talk a bit today about bike covers, because I've had a mixed bag of success with bike covers, mainly because I've always bought cheap ones. But the cover I've got now is an Oxford Stormex heavy duty bike cover, and so let's have a little look at that. Yeah, so here it is. This is the Oxford Stormex heavy duty cover. As you can see it on my ER5. This is a medium size cover, which fits pretty nicely. There's a little bit of room at the bottom by the wheels, but the fit is pretty good. It's tight across the mirrors, as you would expect. Well, that mirror, because I've got the lock on. But it's got some nice features, this cover. There's a solar panel at the front, where you can put a panel in for trickle charging, which is quite handy for situations like this, where you're parked outside and you don't have a garage. You can just have a trickle charger under there. Another panel there at the back. There's a pocket on the cover here. Not quite sure what you'd want to put in there, but it's there nonetheless. And there's tape seams for the lock, if you know, they're back and front, if that's how you choose to lock your bike. And elasticated at the bottom, and there's a drawstring at the bottom too. Let me just take the cover off and show you the inner liner. So the inside of the cover, all the stitching's reinforced. The seams are strong on this one, and there's a fleece covering that goes over the majority of the inside of the liner, apart from the bottom sections of the skirt. And you can see actually from the inside that the wear has been pretty good on this. I bought this cover, where are we? It's February now, and I bought this cover back in the autumn, because the one I'd had previous to that was a cheap cover. I think it was from Halfords. I got it on sale for about £5. But of course the UV, the hot summer that we had, the UV had broken that old cover down, and it was taped all over the place, and it was a right old state. It was literally splitting every time I put it on the bike. So I bought this one in the autumn, and I splashed out a little bit extra on this. Paid £65 for this, new off eBay. I think the recommended retail, or at least on the Oxford site, is £89, I think. I'll put links up in the description. And you can get them new for anywhere between sort of £50 and £89 online. I paid £65, and to me that was an expensive cover. But of course, the more you spend, the better you get. And so this has been through the winter, so it's seen sort of extended periods of seriously heavy rainfall and extended periods of below zero. We've had some pretty thick frost on this, and it's been on and off the bike pretty much every day, and it's just holding up really well. It's a heavyweight, pretty heavyweight cover. It's got those solar panels which are handy. It clips onto the bike with a single strap, and the clip seems to be holding together pretty well. You know, it's not brittle or anything like that. So yeah, it's a pretty good cover. Reviews I read online seem to be saying that they're lasting. I suppose it depends how you use it and where you are, but like a year, 2 years plus. This has been through the autumn, you know, since the autumn, been through the winter, and it's showing no signs of poorliness. So hopefully I'll get a bit of time out of it, but I'll do another video in a year or so and show its condition then. But yeah, so that's the Oxford Stormex heavy duty cover. That's in a medium for my ER5, and it's a good fit. I put the dimensions up in the description and the dimensions of my bike, so you can get an idea of how the fit would be on yours. But I mean, the ER5, that's a 500 naked, sort of average size middleweight commuter. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. While I'm here, I want to do a couple of shout outs actually. Motorcycle Rescuer is a channel that you need to watch and subscribe to if you're not already. Charlie on that channel, he's so knowledgeable and his presentation is great, and he gives you the confidence to, you know, do a bit of work on your own bike. And it's just such a good channel. You know, his content is so easy to watch and it's fresh, and you look forward to every new video. So definitely go and give Motorcycle Rescuer a subscribe if you haven't already. And I also want to give a shout out to Project Clark 123. George has been a great support to me, and he was actually the one that encouraged me to start this channel up. So many thanks for that. Go and give his channel a subscribe to. He's been through the mill a bit this past year, so go and show some support and give his channel a subscribe. He's just recently got himself a new bike that he's going to be working on, and be interesting to watch his progress on that. So yeah, definitely go and have a look at those two channels. I mean, there's loads of others, but those are the two I want to mention on this video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.